Good morning, students. Today we will do the book exercises of lesson number 1, just in case. So, all of you open your book on page number 6. The first question is reading comprehension. Question number 1. People pitied Tiku's parents because Tiku made them tired by repeating questions continuously. So please write this answer neatly. Second question. Tiku thought that his teacher would give his role to another student. Question number 3. Tiku wanted to check his bag to confirm he had taken everything. Then the next question is, when they heard that Tiku wanted to practice for his role, the boys laughed and made fun of him. Question number 5. Alok was having fun with his friends although he was calm and clever. Question number 6. We know that Alok was very clever because he covers Tiku's fall in a joking way. Remember, Tiku falls all of a sudden. Now we will do the reference to context on the next page. Read the lines and answer the questions. The line that is taken from the book is, Tiku, we did that once before. We left home and once after we reached the bus stop. Now the question is, who says these words? So your answer is, Tiku's father said these words. Second one is, what did they do once before? Answer is, they had checked the bag once before. Third question, who wants them to do it again? Answer is, Tiku wants to do it again. Now the next line that is taken is, looks as if there's a storm coming up. Thank God that no one was standing under the tree when it fell. Now the question is, why did Alok say these words? Answer is, Alok said these words when Tiku fell while swaying continuously. Second question, what would have happened if someone was standing under the tree? Answer, if someone was standing under the tree, he or she could have been hurt. Third question, was the tree supposed to fall? Answer you will write is, no, the tree was not supposed to fall. The last question is, why did the audience clap louder? So answer you will write, the audience clapped louder because they liked Tiku's acting. Now students, let's do the grammar section given in your book on page number 11. You have studied about sentence, so we will revise what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense, like Tiku got off the bus. This is a sentence. If we write the words this way, would it make sense? Got bus Tiku the off. This group of words has no meanings. So a sentence should have words in correct order, only then it makes sense. Also remember, a sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now all of you attempt the question given here. Put these groups of words in the correct order to make sense. The first one is playing, the children are in the garden. So try to make a proper sentence. Second one is school might reopen will tomorrow. Third, raining is it heavily now. Fourth, mother my a mobile phone has. Fifth, are children the eating. Now all of you try to make proper sentence. Now check the answers with me. The first correct sentence is children are playing in the garden. Second one is my school will reopen tomorrow. Third one, it is raining heavily now. Fourth one, my mother has a mobile phone. Fifth one, the children are eating. So students, all of you check whether you have started the sentence with the capital letter, and after finishing the sentence have you put the full stop. Now we come to the last section, that is the writing section on page number 13. Question is, have you ever acted in a school play? Were you afraid to take part or were you excited? Write a paragraph about your first play. So they have given you some questions. What was the play? What was it about? What role did you play? Did you have any lines to speak? Did people like your acting? Now students, you can see here is the sample paragraph for you to understand how to write and frame your own paragraph. You need not copy this. You have to write your own experience according to the questions that they have asked. Now all of you see that you complete all the work in your book and copy. Regularly, you need to practice reading, writing, listening, speaking. Practice only will help you to be perfect. So, if you want to learn to speak, you have to continue reading and learning regularly. So, students, will you study regularly and promise to be good children? Okay? Thank you. Bye.